Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share my experience with SupraNail, a product I've been using to improve my nails and feet. If you're struggling with brittle nails or cracked heels, SupraNail might just be the solution for you. This product is packed with 13 powerful ingredients like acai berry, oat bran, and vitamin C. These ingredients work together to support the health of your nails and feet, providing natural nourishment without the use of harmful chemicals. What I love most is that it's vegan, gluten-free, and free of harmful fillers. I've been using it for a few weeks, and the difference is clear. My nails feel stronger and are growing faster, and my feet, especially around the heels, are softer and smoother. It's so refreshing to find a product that actually delivers on its promises. SupraNail's formula includes ingredients like licorice root, senna auriculata, and cascara sagrada bark, which work to reinforce the nail structure and improve skin hydration. After consistent use, I noticed my nails weren't breaking as much, and I didn't have to deal with the usual peeling. If you've been looking for a product that gives visible, long-lasting results without using harmful ingredients, SupraNail is definitely worth trying. It's been a game-changer for me, and I highly recommend it. Check the link in the description for more details, and as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more product reviews.